Hi, welcome to ET Auto. I'm Chanchal Pal Chauhan. Why do we buy these cars? It's for fun, statement, style, or this is COVID times, we're looking for personal and safe mobility. Today we bring you Kia's third offering, the Sonet. It's the compact SUV, or we also call it the subcompact. It's going to rival the Maruti Brezza, Hyundai Venue, and a couple of more offerings. That's the hottest selling segment. There are almost 4 new products coming in this segment by the end of this year. But what makes Kia Sonet different from other cars would be the features, the new clutchless manual transmission called intelligent manual transmission technology, along with a fabulous design what Kia is known for, and the size where the excise duty and the GST rates are much lower makes the price extremely competitive. So it could also be a 6 lakh kind of offering, which will be extremely competitive in price against the Maruti Brezza, the Hyundai Venue, the Tata Nexon, and a couple of more products. Along with the product, you get the fabulous styling, which is far better and ahead and modern and much more aerodynamic than most of the cars we have seen till date. This is Kia's third offering and could also be the hottest so far. Along with that, the company is also looking for great volumes from the Indian market just before the festive period, when we have had fabulous recovery in July, and going forward August and September are going to be good months with customers buying cars for personal mobility and looking for smart, styled new vehicles with new designs, and Sonet fits into that bracket. So this is Chanchal Pal Chauhan. I would be taking you around the car today and make you feel and understand how the Sonet is different from other cars, what makes it better, an ideal choice, and what could be the limitations in the segment where customers looking for more choice and spoiled for more fun. Let me also showcase what lies inside the Sonet. We take an inside glimpse in terms of what are the packaging, what is the product offering, and how the variant, this particular car, which is the top end GT line with DCT dual clutch transmission, makes it the ideal buy. Gonna be an expensive proposition. The top line of Sonet gonna be something worth aspirational for every customer looking for this subcompact segment. I'll take you inside the car. Extremely sporty, the red line GT makes it one of the most ideal choices. And the best part about the car is this is the future of interiors. We have an integrated audio, visual and an instrument cluster that basically in coming times gonna be all digital LCD. We already have a connected system Evo in Kia cars, and going ahead we will see much more connectivity in UNO coming for all Kia cars as a standard. Connected cars with internet based technology and the coming 5G seamless GSM technology will make much more fun with these cars. The best part about this Sonet is in terms of not just the automatic transmission but also the layout of things. Everything is placed conveniently. It could be the air dims, which is especially ideal for a hot and tropical country like India, along with the new jazzy features of a 360-degree view, ventilated seats, traction control, and all the controls of manning the car from inside right at the driver's disposal. The steering wheel is extremely comfortable and ideal size and adjustable, which is a standard feature across most of the cars in this segment. Makes it ideal for a large number of women drivers. I would like to also share that a large number of young women customers are now preferring subcompact small SUVs, and Sonet is an ideal buy for them in terms of the kind of visibility you have on the road, the safety you get, and the high performance drivability that gets along with most of these SUVs. But for Sonet, the automatic transmission, the DCT 7-gear front, as well as the clutchless experience makes it very different, and going forward we will see much more automatic cars happening in India. So Sonet, in terms of what we can get an initial idea about the product, is extremely smartly packaged. That is what Kia is known for. The air dams are right there. There are 4 air dams that will give you enough cool air inside in top extreme Indian conditions. And you have the temperature controls, it's all automatic, and ventilated seats make it ideal in sultry conditions. The DCT comes with drive but no sports is there. The variant is a sporty GT line, so the tunings of the engine are very different from what we have seen in the past. And the size and this real SUV in terms of design, the masculine SUV, which is not like the many cute, smart and roundish SUVs. This is more cuts and cues that you see on the sides, making it more drivability and an off-roading kind of a vehicle. So the DCT adds punch to it in terms of more power, and as the car will be launched on 7th of August, we will get to know the specs. Initially what I can tell you is the car seems loaded. We haven't done the test drive. The performance of the vehicle would be known possibly by the second week of August. But in terms of space, it's an ideal package. Enough for big adults of 5 people can fit in. The space has been ideally done. You have a glove compartment which has a respectable space. The connectivity with regard to USB, flash charging is all there. Though I don't see wireless charging, which doesn't seem to be an option for the time being, but airbags and safety package is standard. We have a music system that's supported by Bose speakers and tweeters are already there. So for the timing initial go, Sonet looks like a good package and far superior to what competition has. But what we need to see is the price. The price will be revealed in the next 4 days. But for the time being, it looks as an impressive package. But in the given scenario when customers are looking for extremely price competitive products, Kia, like its Sonet, is looking ahead from great sales with very aggressive prices from the Sonet, and this has been the most awaited product in 2020. And let's see how Kia makes it successful or a bigger product than what it had in the Seltos. So this could be the next Seltos for Kia and change the company, which is sold in less than 1 year more than 100,000 cars and is looking for the stupendous and the most impressive performance ever done in the Indian passenger vehicle history. So a big cheer up, but yeah, the price will make the difference for Sonet. Over the last few years, some different changes that we have seen in Indian market is that customers give due preference to how the styling is, not just on the front side where DRL taking a major influencer for buying decisions, but even the rear. The tail lights needs to be synchronized in terms of styling with what the car is trying to showcase as a product. Sonet scores on that. It has a distinct tail line in terms of integrated headlamps going both into the C-pillar as well as the boot, and with distinct line that makes Seltos very distinct in terms of a typical LED tail light integrating both the ends. That's gonna be very distinct from the earlier vehicles what we have seen, and Sonet will make an impression from the rear too. I would also like to emphasize the way the entire design is seamless, looks astonishing, especially that it's minimal design with maximum impact. And going ahead, I'll just also showcase you the cargo size, which looks impressive. For a family drive in today's nuclear families, people are looking for more space. So Sonet gives you an ideal space for weekend driving. Possibly people looking for putting additional alternate fuels. So this has enough space, what we can see. Headroom is also enough in terms of putting your pet. The seats, like most of the cars, posable, and you also have the integrated music system that gives you a different feel. So overall, Sonet looks like a good package for Indian market. Kia has thought about Indian customers, their needs and utility, and giving them ideal space to make it a good deal. And the build quality also is extremely good, very acceptable from what we have seen in the past. So they're going to be good competition to the Nissan Magnite and other products that are hitting the same segment, and would be a competition to Sonet as we enter the festive season and look for more fun and excitement in the compact SUV market. So we at ET Auto gave you the first glimpse of the Sonet. Kia has been extremely successful in India. This is the third car. It's only a matter of time that will show how the customers take it. In terms of packaging, in terms of styling, in terms of SUV muscular design, we give a good rating in at least 3.5 stars out of 5 to the Sonet. Styling, which has been a great quotient for Kia, both in terms of this signature tiger grille, how they are utilizing the lights for putting the brand ahead and making it distinct. The Sonet scores good, and it's going to be leading for other competition in terms of how do they improvise the product. For the time being, there is competition in this segment hotting up. There would be 3-4 new SUVs coming from different brands. We will have both European, Indian and Japanese brand looking for this segment, which is growing at the fastest pace. So Kia Sonet has a good chance, and timing is very critical. It's coming at the pre-festive time when Indian customers buy most of the cars. So this is the most auspicious and lucrative time in terms of launching a new product. The global debut of Sonet will put Kia much ahead after the stupendous success and debut for the Indian market. Selling more than 100,000 cars in around 10 months has been a great feat for any car maker. This is something everybody is trying to imitate, but till now only Kia has been successful. While we will get to see the product more and the price reveal on 7th, for the time being, Sonet looks a good package, and the tagline of Wild by Design will only be shown in the month of August and September if the customers are really wild for buying the Sonet. And ET Auto, we recommend that you buy good cars, quality cars, and always be safe. This is Chanchal Pal Chauhan for ET Auto.